See children, tetrasporic embryo sacs. Tetrasporic type of embryo sacs are mainly three types. Tetrasporic means megaspore mother cell participated in the reduction division to form 4 haploid megaspores. From that 4 haploid megaspore, complete embryo sac is developed, called tetrasporic embryo sac. Here is tetrasporic embryo sacs are mainly three types based on the arrangement of megaspores in the ovule or in the embryo sac. See, they are 1+1+1 type of embryo sac, 1+3 type of embryo sac, 2+2 type of embryo sacs. 1+1+1+ type of embryo sacs belongs to tetrasporic. 1+3 types also belongs to tetrasporic. 2+2 also belongs to tetrasporic. Now we discussed tetrasporic type of embryo sacs belongs to 1+1+1+1 type of embryo sacs. In this, plumbago, pinia, peperomia. Plumbago, pinia, peperomia. Plumbago containing 8 cells of embryo sacs. They are arranged in 1+4+1+4+1 arrangement. In plumbago species of angiosperms, this shows plumbago embryo sac, plumbago type of tetrasporic embryo sac. See, matured ovule containing one single diploid cell at the micropylar region from nucellus. It acts as a megaspore mother cell. It participates in the reduction division to form 4 haploid megaspores. The 4 haploid megaspores are arranged in 4 corners, 4 areas of the embryo sac. See, one is chalazal end, one is micropylar end, and 2 megaspores are present at the lateral area of the embryo sac. The 4 megaspores are participated in the mitotic division to form 8 haploid cells. At each corner, 2 haploid cells are present. From each corner, single cell moves to center region of embryo sac. They act as a secondary nucleus. Here it is 4 haploid nuclei are reached to the center region. The 4 haploid nuclei act as a secondary nucleus, means 4 end stage of secondary nucleus present in the plumbago. And at the chalazal region, only single antipodal is present. And at the micropylar region, only single egg cell is present. Lateral 2 cells are present. In this embryo sac, synergids are absent. And at the chalazal region, only 1 antipodal is present. Finally, at the matured stage of plumbago embryo sac containing only 8 cells, they are arranged in 1+4+1+1+1 arrangement. 1 belongs to egg cell, 4 belongs to secondary nucleus, and 1 belongs to lateral cell, another belongs to lateral cell, and last one is antipodal. And the second type is pinia. Pinia containing 16 cells at the matured stage. They are arranged in 3+4+3+3+3 arrangement. See, in pinia species of angiosperms, in the ovule, one single diploid cell acts as a megaspore mother cell from nucellus. It participated in the meiotic division to form 4 haploid megaspores. The 4 haploid megaspores are arranged in 4 corners of the embryo sac. They are participated in the first mitotic division, second mitotic division to form total 16 cells. At each corner, 4 cells are present. From each corner, one single cell reaches to center region of embryo sac. They act as the 4 haploid nuclei act as a secondary nucleus. It is in 4n stage. And the chalazal region, 3 cells are present. They act as antipodals. And micropylar region, 3 cells are present. They act as egg operators. From this, middle cell act as egg cell. Lateral 2 cells act as synergids. And lateral 3 cells act as egg operators like structures. Finally, at the matured stage, total 16 cells are present in the pinia. They are arranged in 3+4+3+3+3 arrangement. 3 cells belongs to egg operators, 4 cells belongs to secondary nucleus, and 3 cells belongs to antipodals. 3 cells belong to lateral egg operators like structures, and another 3 cells belong to lateral egg operators like structures. And the last one is tetrasporic peperomia. Peperomia containing 16 cells. They are arranged in 2+8+6 arrangement. See, in this pinia species of angiosperms, One single diploid cell act as a megaspore mother cell. It participates in the first reduction division, complete reduction division to form 4 haploid cells. These 4 haploid cells are arranged in the 4 corners of the embryo sac. These are participated in the first mitotic division to form 8 cells. Again, second mitotic division to form 16 cells. At each corner, 4 cells are present. From each corner, 2 cells are reached to center region of embryo sac. They act as a secondary nucleus. Total 8 haploid nuclei reach to the center region of embryo sac. They act as a secondary nucleus. It is in 8 stage, 8 end stage. And at the micropylar region, remaining 2 cells act as evaporators. From this, 1 cell act as an egg cell and remaining cell act as a synergy. And lateral 2 cells and chalazial region 2 cells completely act as a antipodals. Finally, at the matured stage of the peperomia embryo sac, total 16 cells are present. They are arranged in 2. 2 means evaporators. 8 means secondary nucleus. 6 means antipodals. These are belongs to tetrasporic type of embryo sacs. Belongs to 1+1+1+1 type of embryo sacs. And the next one, 1+3 type of embryo sacs. See, 1+3 means the 4 megaspores are arranged in 1+3 arrangement in the embryo sac. They are Drusa, Fritillaria, and Plumbagella. Drusa containing 16 cells. They are arranged in 3+2+11 arrangement. 3+2+11 arrangement. See, Drusa species of embryo sac. Drusa species containing 16 cells. Initially, in Drusa ovule, from the new cellus, single cell act as a megaspore mother cell. It participated in the reduction division to form 4 haploid megaspores. From these 4 haploid megaspores, 3 haploid megaspores presented the chalazial region and 1 haploid megaspore presented the micropylar region. So this arrangement is called 1+3 arrangement. 1 megaspore presented the micropylar region and 3 megaspores presented the chalazial region. These are participated in the first mitotic division, second mitotic division to form 16 cells. Chalazial region 12 cells are present and micropylar region 4 cells are present. From each corner, single cell reach to center region of embryo sac. They act as a secondary nucleus. And remaining cells at the chalazial region 11, that 11 cells are act as a antipodals. And remaining 3 cells at the micropylar region act as evaporators. Middle cell act as a egg cell. Lateral 2 cells act as a synergies. Finally, Drusa embryo sac containing 16 cells. They are arranged in 3+2+11 arrangement. 3 cells belongs to evaporators. 2 cells belongs to secondary nucleus. 11 cells belongs to antipodals. And the next one, 1+3 type, Fritillaria. It containing only 8 cells. They are arranged in 3+2+3 arrangement. But in this, nuclear fusion will be occurs. See, in Fritillaria species of embryo sac, the ovule containing diploid nucellus. From this diploid nucellus, 1 single diploid cell act as a megaspore mother cell. It participated in the reduction division to form 4 haploid megaspores. From these 4 haploid megaspore, 3 megaspores are present at the chalazial region. 1 megaspore present at the micropylar region. See, 3 megaspores at the chalazial region, they are fused. They are fused means nuclei. The 3 megaspore nuclei are fused to form triploid cell. 1 triploid cell present at the chalazial region, 1 haploid cell present at the micropylar region. They are participated in the first mitotic division, second mitotic division to form 8 cells. See, in this stage, at the micropylar region, 4 haploid cells. At the chalazial region, 4 triploid cells are present. From each corner, 1 cell moves to center region of embryo sac. They act as a secondary nucleus. Secondary nucleus is in 4 end stage. And at the micropylar region, 4 haploid cells are present. They act as evaporators. Middle cell act as a egg cell. Lateral 2 cells act as a synergies. And at the micropylar chalazial region, 3 triploid cells are present. The 3 triploid cells act as a antipodals. In Fritillaria embryo sac, total 8 cells are present. They are arranged in 3+2+3 arrangement. 3 cells belongs to evaporators. They are in haploid condition. And 2 cells belongs to secondary nucleus. It is in 4N condition. And remaining 3 cells are called antipodals. They are in 3N condition. Another one, 1+3 type of embryo sac is Plumbagella. Plumbagella type containing 1+2+ one type only. See, Plumbagella species of angiosperms containing only one megaspore from the new cell S. It participated in the megaspore mother cell. It participated in the reduction division to form 4 haploid megaspores. From these 4 haploid megaspores, 3 megaspores presented the chalazal region and 1 megaspore presented the micropylar region. Chalazal region 3 megaspores are fused to form one triploid cell, and at the micropylar region 1 haploid cell, chalazal region 1 triploid cell. They are participated in the first mitotic division to form 4 cells. At this stage, at the chalazal region 2 triploid cells, at the micropylar region 2 haploid cells are present. From each corner, one single cell moves to center region of embryo sac. They act as a secondary nucleus. See, from the chalazal region 1 triploid cell, from the micropylar region 1 haploid cell. Total 4 end stage secondary nucleus is present in this embryo sac. And micropylar region containing only single cell, it acts as a egg cell. Synergids are absent, and one antipodal is in triploid condition. Finally, 4 cells are present in Plumbagella. They are arranged in 1+2+1 arrangement. One belongs to egg cell, 2 belongs to secondary nucleus, another one belongs to antipodals, and the last one, tetrasporic type belongs to 2+2 type. It is only one example, Adoxa. Adoxa species of embryo sacs. Adoxa species of angiosperms containing 8-celled embryo sac at the matured stage. In the ovule, at the micropylar region, from the new cell S, one single cell act as a megaspore mother cell. It participated in the reduction division to form 4 haploid megaspores. From these 4 haploid megaspores, 2 haploid megaspores are present at the chalazal region, 2 haploid megaspores are present at the micropylar region. This arrangement is called 2+2 type of arrangement, and these are participated in the mitotic division to form 8 cells. At each corner, 4 haploid cells are present. From each corner, one single cell moves to center region of embryo sac. They act as a secondary nucleus. And remaining 3 cells present at the micropylar region, they act as egg operators. Remaining 3 cells act as a antipodals. Finally, Adoxa embryo sac similar to the Polygonum embryo sac. It contains 2+2 type. It containing 8 cells. They are arranged in 3. 3 means anti-egg operators. 2 means secondary nucleus. 3 means egg operators. These are the tetrasporic embryo sacs types belongs to 2+2 type of embryo sacs.